Hi, second graders. Today we are going to review fact and opinion statements. I have seen a lot of my students have these types of questions when they're taking their quizzes on the Kids A to Z program. So I thought it would be helpful to refresh everyone's memory about this skill. I love this picture because this picture is a good visual. It means that when I see this, it helps me remember it more. Facts are things that are true. We can prove it's true. We can find it in a source. A source might be a book or the internet. Opinions are things that we feel or think. They totally come from our heart. So, what a good picture to remind us what an opinion is. And we can't really prove our opinions. Another poster I found, which is helpful, is one that kind of organizes ideas for facts. So if something is a fact, it's true information, can't argue with it, people can prove it. Usually you find it in nonfiction. Science and history would be a good place where we would find facts. We could look it up. It can be experimented or tested, so we could try to prove it through an experiment. And you might even find something like in the newspaper or a magazine article where there are facts. So a fact right here is this little girl's umbrella is blue, red, and yellow. We can prove it. The opinion ideas are it's thoughts or it's something that we think about. We can argue it and not argue in a unfriendly way, but somebody might disagree with your opinion. We really can't prove it. We can't go find it in a book. Usually it's in fiction. We can agree or disagree with each other's opinions. Opinions can change. You might have an opinion about something and it can change. It deals with your personal feelings, and there might be some key words to look for, like I think and I believe and I feel. And an opinion here is that this little girl is sitting on a very pretty blanket. That might be someone's opinion. Someone might disagree with that opinion. I picked out some statements from our scarcity story. And I want you to think, are these statements facts? Are they true pieces of information that can be proven, that we could look back and find that in our book and prove that it's a fact, true? Or is it an opinion? Does it deal with someone's feelings or thoughts? So we're going to read these. You and your class can stop and decide what you think. If you're at home, you can work with an adult. The first one says, things people want and use are resources. Why don't you put your thumb up if you think it's a fact? Put your thumb down if you think it's an opinion. Can we prove this? Does it sound like a fact from nonfiction? We're going to check our answers in a little bit, just letting you have some time to think about it. Let's go to number 2. All countries, rich or poor, have scarcity. Thumb up. Is it a fact or is it an opinion? Thumb down. Is it something that can be proven true, or does that deal with someone's feelings or what they think? Number 3, orange juice is better than a whole orange. Is that a fact? Put your thumb up. Put your thumb down if you think that's an opinion, if that is what somebody thinks or believes or feels. Number 4, in 2004, 4 hurricanes in Florida harmed many fruit trees. Is that a fact? Thumb up. Is that an opinion? Thumb down. Is that something that's true? Or is that something that somebody feels? Number 5, people felt mad that the oranges had a higher price. Thumb up, is that an opinion? Is that a fact? Or a thumb down, is that an opinion? What do you think? Gave you a little time to think about it. Now let's check our answers. I have our facts in green. So the green statements are facts. Things people want and use are resources. All countries, rich or poor, have scarcity. And in 2004, 4 hurricanes in Florida harmed many fruit trees. Those are facts. Those are things we could prove. We could go back into a source and we could find the evidence and prove that those are true statements. The opinions are numbers 3 and 5. Orange juice is better than a whole orange. That's somebody's belief or how they feel. Somebody could disagree with that person. And number 5, people felt mad that the oranges had a higher price. That's again an opinion. There's the word felt. It was how somebody was feeling. Somebody else might not be mad. They might understand why the oranges had a higher price and just be happy to get some oranges. So, as you're reading, you can see what sentences or statements are facts and what are opinions. And like I said, I've seen this pop up quite a bit in the kids' A to Z. So hopefully this will help you if you're taking some quizzes. Good luck with it.